I actually just get a dab and then reveals her secret crush. And she confesses her love by giving gifts. 1 month later, everybody, 1 month! Hey guys, it's me, David, aka Davlorito. Hey, 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 hey. For all those who are new to my channel, hi, my name is David. I'm a Filipino from Germany and I'm currently living in Seoul, South Korea. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has been loving and supporting me, my channel, and everything. We reached 1,000, everybody! Woo! Today, I'm actually doing a video that has been requested. Not actually as a video, but they kept on asking me what I do. It's about my skin. People are asking me, David, what are you doing to your skin? Why does it look so clean or smooth? I don't know what they say. In Tagalog, they say, ang kinis ng mukha mo. Basically, they're complimenting my skin. I hate to break it down to you guys, but I'm actually the type of person that will answer, I just use water. In which world? But that's not entirely true, but yeah, I do it a lot. But before I get to that cleansing, cleaning, and all of that stuff, facial routine of mine, this video is gonna be about Valentine's Day. Hey! 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 Before I get started with my facial routine, I don't know how do you call that, facial routine? Spend like 1 or 2 minutes on Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is just around the corner. We mustn't panic! Yeah, I don't really celebrate Valentine's Day because number 1, I'm single. You what? Number 2, I don't date. You're thinking, what? He doesn't date? If you don't know the reason why, it's called Dear Future Wife. So that will explain why I don't date. And number 3, it's my youngest sister's birthday. I usually celebrate my sister's birthday. Whew. Yeah, as I said earlier, I live in Korea, and here the dating couple lifestyle is like in a whole different level. I just wanted to break it down to you guys. On the 14th of every month, something is happening here in Korea. I'm just gonna talk about 3 of them. First day is Valentine's Day, the 14th of February. So, let me start with the first product that I use. Usually when I wake up, I use this one. It's focusing. So, focusing Herb Day Cleansing Foam Spearmint for Men from the FACESHOP. I use this as my cleanser in the morning. And then, I use CNP Laboratory CNP Invisible Peeling Booster. This hypoallergenic exfoliation booster offers daily exfoliation benefits with no need for further rinsing, leaving your skin feeling soft, dewy, and transparently radiant. I usually use 2 pumps, and I always do it like this. do it like, and slap it on. This is based on my skin and based on me, so I don't know if it will work for you. So while this is sinking in, I'm gonna leave it in for maybe a few seconds. Valentine's Day here in Korea, it's the women that confess to their love interest. They usually give chocolates to the guy that they like on Valentine's Day. It's like their day of declaration. They're declaring their love for that person, and the guys, like we guys, we just have to wait to receive gifts. So yeah, that's what happens here in Korea on Valentine's Day. Next step, PHYSIOGEL. It's hypoallergenic. It's daily moisture therapy facial lotion for dry and sensitive skin. Relieves dry, tight skin. Makes skin less sensitive. Strengthens the skin's moisture barrier. Okay then. And then I usually use this much, and then I always smear it in both of my hands. I don't know why. This one I don't really tap. The earlier one, the CPN, that one I tap it more or dab it more. I don't know how to call it. But with this one, I really, how do you call this? Smear it in, and I use it also for my neck. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but really many people ask me about my skin, so I just thought, why not? So then, 1 month later, everybody, 1 month! Can you believe it? 1 month! On March 14th, it's called White Day. White Day. It's the day where the guys respond to the girl that gave them chocolates. It's called White Day because they usually give something white. White chocolate, and I read white lingerie. There's this thing called Rule of 3, meaning if they also like the girl, 1 month later, they will respond by giving them a gift that is 3 times more valuable. Price range wise, I think. I'm broke! So, apparently that happens. And yeah. So, next step to my facial routine. The next product that I put is this one. It is L'Oreal Paris Men Expert Hydra Intensive. The reason why I'm putting so much on my face is because it's winter, so my face dries up so quickly. This one, I usually just get this and then I put it on my... I actually don't put it on like this, it's just for the video. I actually just get a dab and then...
One hop this time! One hop this time! Left foot 2 stumps!
And then I just do... Oh, and I just use one hand, usually with this cream for some reason. And I also put it on my lips. I know it's not meant to go, but like I do it. And I use classic, is it Carmex? Carmex? I don't know how it is pronounced. Carmex lip balm. So you can see it is a bit like moisturizing and they call it dewy. I actually don't like that so much. I'm more of a matte person. So that's basically it. That's what I do for my face. On special occasions, let's say if I know I'm going to meet someone to shoot a video, there's gonna be lots of lighting, or when I went to Fashion Week, when there's a lot of camera and you'll be exposed to the wind and everything for a long time, the sun. This one, it's by ST.IVES and it's multi-CC, so correction cream. I don't use BB creams, but this is CC cream, this is color correction. It is with SPF 50+. I don't know what this stands for, PA+++. Like I said, this is not a beauty channel, everybody. I'm just sharing you my facial name. What do you call this? Skincare, that's what it is. Skincare routine. It's lighter than my actual skin tone because I mean we're in Korea. Their skin color is fairer than mine. In the Philippines, people say that my skin is so fair. I'm so white. That's what they're saying. I think I'm perfect. I like my skin tone. But anyway, when I use this, it makes my skin or my face lighter, but it evens it out, it smoothens it out. I know this is a very weird video, but people have been asking me a lot, what do I do for my skin? So anyway, moving on to the last month, which is April. April, everybody. April 14th is Black Day, and I personally like this day. I asked around, this day is not really celebrated, but like, just for you guys to know. So we had Valentine's Day. The girl reveals her secret crush, and she confesses her love by giving gifts. White Day. The dude just says, you know what, I love you too. I'm gonna give you a present. I'm gonna give it to you 3 times more valuable than what you gave me. That is the White Day on March 14th. Then on April 14th, Black Day. Black Day is for those who didn't receive anything or they were rejected.
No?
It's called Black Day, and then you meet up with your friends or with other singles. You dress up in black, and then you eat jjajangmyeon. I'm telling you, it doesn't happen. As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't really happen anymore. It's not as depressing as it sounds. And for me personally, like Black Day is every day. Hey, like, I can eat jjajangmyeon, I can dress up in black, I can meet my friends and just like be single and be happy about it. There's nothing wrong about single. You're just waiting for the right time, right person. When I get back home after the day, that's when I use this one. This is L'Oreal Paris Men Expert Hydra Energy. I got this from Germany, as you can tell, because that's where I from. I really like this one. It takes off all of the dirt on my face and it leaves my face smooth. It doesn't dry out, so my skin after cleansing it, it's not dry when I use this. And then after doing that, I use this aloe vera gel. This is what I put in the evening before I go to sleep. One more last thing, because I get blackheads a lot, I use this by how do you pronounce this in English? ST.IVES, because I think, isn't it ST.IVES? Is this French? That's how I call it, ST.IVES. And it's the blemish control anti-imperfections. I use this when I shower. I use this only every second day. And when I use this, I skip one of the other two. That is my facial skincare routine. For the winter, it's a bit different in summer. In summer, usually I just use water. I only had pimples and stuff during my teenage years. That was the only time that I had, like here, this was full. But in general, I would have to say my skin is generally good. And here are my tips for you who don't have money for all of these products. By the way, these products were not that expensive. These two were kinda sort of expensive, but all the others were rather cheap, I would say. I think you can manage to get those. But if you don't want to and you don't have to, I'll give you a tip on how you can improve your skin a lot. And I think that's the reason why my skin in general is good. You have to drink a lot of water. I don't really drink soda. I don't drink alcohol. I don't drink like juices and stuff. My main drink is water. 3 to 5 liters of water a day. Yeah, it sounds a lot, and you don't have to drink that much. 1.5 to 3 liters of water, but I drink 3 to 5. So what I have is like I have a big bottle and I just keep on refilling it and I drink. And when you sleep, make sure that you don't sleep on your face. If you like sleeping on your side, put a like soft towel or something on top of your pillow. That way it won't get agitated and it won't get dirty. I never do this, but I have friends who do that. Other thing that you can do is exercise. You need to sweat a lot.
Please, no! No! No!
My body is a type that sweats a lot. Like I'm sweating right now actually. I'm just sitting and it's winter time and I'm sweating. So if you work out into the point that you just sweat, it's good, because when you sweat, all the dirt comes out as well. You know what? This video is all over the place. I'm sorry. I'm not used to doing, you know, these beauty thingy. But since many people of you asked and I haven't had the chance to do any lookbooks because I don't have anybody to film me, I thought this goes into fashion as well, because you know it's also about appearance. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, if you're single on Valentine's Day, it's totally fine. Just celebrate being single. You are great and awesome the way you are, and in time, the right time, the right person will be there and you will become one. Hope you guys enjoyed this and you learned something from my skincare routine. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions or any questions in general about my studies here in Korea, in Germany, any other fashion or skincare routine related things, just leave it down in the comments down below and I will respond and maybe even make a video about it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios. Bye.